Hello and welcome to the podcast Thoughts by Arthik Kumar. Epistemology is a branch of metaphysics concerned with the nature of knowledge and belief. The study of epistemology has been around since ancient times with Greek philosophers such as Plato and Aristotle discussing the nature of knowledge and how we come to know things. Epistemology is concerned with how we acquire knowledge and what kinds of knowledge we have. It asks questions such as what is knowledge? How do we know what we know? Can we be certain about our beliefs? These questions are essential to understanding how we make sense of the world around us. And one more thing in epistemology is skepticism. Skepticism is the idea that knowledge is uncertain and that we cannot be certain of anything. Skeptics argue that knowledge is always provisional and that we can never be absolutely certain of our beliefs. This challenges to constantly re-evaluate our beliefs and remain open to new evidence. Today, epistemology is a vibrant area of research in philosophy, with ongoing debates about the nature of knowledge, the role of perception in acquiring knowledge, and the relationship between knowledge and truth. One of the key concepts in epistemology is justification. Justification is the process by which we come to believe that something is true. We might use evidence, reasoning, or intuition to justify our beliefs. However, the question of what counts as sufficient justification is a difficult one. And one more thing, skepticism is the view that we cannot be certain about our beliefs. There are different forms of skepticism, ranging from moderate skepticism, which holds that we can only be certain about very few things, to radical skepticism, which holds that we cannot be certain about anything at all. Finally, epistemology asks questions about the nature. How do we know when something is true? Is truth relative or absolute? These questions are fundamental to understanding the nature of knowledge and the foundations of our beliefs.